My dear parents, teachers, and friends, please put your hands together and welcome our chief guest for the day.
With great respect, I, Master Rayans Yadav,
And I, Master Nachiket Gowda,
take this opportunity to wholeheartedly welcome our rector and manager, Reverend Father James Nigel,
our principal, Reverend Father Solomon Rapone,
our vice rector and administrator, Reverend Father Bonnie Gorgeous,
our assistant parish priest, Reverend Father Diego News,
our head teacher, Mrs. Smita Lewis,
our hardworking teachers,
parents, and all my dear friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Kindness is a universal language that can be spoken by everyone.
Kindness is a gift everyone can afford to give.
We, the students of Standard 4th B, present to you a class assembly with great joy and are happy to have you in our midst.
Every good thing begins with a prayer.
To invoke the blessings of the Almighty, our friends will now present a prayer dance.
Let us join our hands and hearts in prayer. Lord, I offer my life with divine grace.
Before we can start an assembly, let's pause for a moment. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Calm your minds. Take a deep breath and meditate for a minute.
Meditation. Breathe
Breathe
in,
in,
breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In this silence, find your purpose for the day. Kindly open your eyes slowly.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what are we waiting for?
Let's start our assembly for today.
The theme for assembly is hope,
The power of small gestures.
kindness.
In a world that often rushes past, it's the smallest act of kindness that leave the biggest impact.
Presenting to you a skit that shows us how even one simple gesture of kindness can spark hope and change a life.
Skip
Hope,
the ripple effect of kindness. Scene 1. The school corridors. Even the smallest act of kindness can ignite hope and change lives.
every morning we walk through these corridors. Some of us lost in our thoughts, some in a hurry. But how often do we stop and notice those around us?
Let's see what happens when kindness takes the first step.
A student named Agam is seen rushing to the class, bumps into the school cleaner, school drops books and buckets. Can't you see? Where are you going? I'm already late for class. You should be more careful. Look, you made me drop all of my belongings. I'm so sorry.
The cleaner quietly picks up the mop, looking hurt and sad. Student 2 walks by and notices.
Oh no, I'm really sorry that happened to you. That was not fair at all. Here, let me help you to pick this up. You work so hard every day to keep our school clean. We should be thanking you, not being rude. Are you okay, uncle?
Thank you, beta. Not many stop to help or speak kindly. Your kindness truly means a lot. It reminds me that good hearts still shine through. Always remember, people like me may be in background, but our works matters too. A little respect, a small smile, it goes a long way. Never forget to treat every helper with kindness.
It costs nothing to be kind, but it can mean everything to someone.
Scene 2, the playground scene. An old man just sits outside the school gate. Looking tired and confused, students pass by laughing and unaware. The old man talks to himself.
I came to meet my grandson, but I forgot his class. So many children, but I don't remember his face clearly today.
A student Sonaki walks past, glances at the old man and shrugs.
Why is he just sitting here? He probably got to the wrong school. Someone else will help him, I guess.
The student Sonaki walks away without helping.
Another student sees the old man, notices his confusion and tired eyes and slowly walks over. Hello, uncle. You look a little worried. Are you alright? Would you like to sit in the shade or have some water? Can I help you in any way? Thank you, my dear child. I came to see my grandson. He studies here, but I can't remember which class. I feel a little lost. Don't worry, uncle. We will find him. You are not alone. Come with me. We'll go to the school office. The teachers there will help us. I am sure your grandson will be happy to see you.
The student gently supports the old man and leads him towards the school office.
Excuse me, teacher. Kindly help this uncle to find his grandson as he cannot find him.
Thank you, dear. That was such a thoughtful and respectful thing to do. It takes a kind heart to notice someone in need, and you just did that. Please wait, sir, as I bring your grandson. Sir, here's your grandson.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, my dear child, for being kind towards me. May God bless you, child. You made me feel cared for like family.
The smallest act of kindness often go unseen, but their impact lasts longer than we realize.
Scene 3, the classroom scene.
Agam is found sitting alone, upset. His friends come by.
Hey Agam, what's wrong? Why are you so sad? I had had a bad morning and I feel like I ruined someone else's day too. It's never late to be kind. Go on, apologize to that person.
Agam nods, walks out and looks out for the cleaner. Finds the cleaner again.
Uncle, I am sorry for how I spoke earlier. That was not right. Thank you for everything you do.
I am very happy you understood. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Let us all spread kindness where we go.
And just like that, a ripple begins.
One kind word,
One gentle gesture.
spreading hope in every direction.
You don't have to be rich, powerful, or perfect.
Just be kind, because kindness is hope in action, and you can be the reason someone believes in the goodness of the world again.
My friends will now enlighten you with some wonderful kindness quotes.
Kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. We don't need money or fame to change someone's day. A kind word, a helping hand, a simple smile, they are all free and they create hope wherever they go.
Hope begins with you. Every act of kindness you do is like planting a seed of hope in someone's heart. Don't wait for others. Be one to start the ripple.
No act of kindness, no matter how small, it's ever they stay. Sometimes we do not see the effect of our kindness right away, but trust me, it always makes a difference. It always leaves hope behind. Be the reason someone smiles today. A small gesture can brighten a whole day. A kind word, a gentle laugh, a moment of care. You can make someone feel seen and loved. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Kindness speaks louder than words. It touches heart. No matter who you are, you can feel kindness, and that brings you a hope to carry on. Even small acts like a big hearts we may think our action are too small to matter. But someone who's hurting, even our tiniest kindness can light up their world.
My friends will now dance to the song Give a Little Kindness.
chance to hear about this endless love I know. What you give to me is not for me to keep, it's for the world to see. Your love. Every day you're giving me your kindness. Every day you're giving me your love. Oh, with every single breath I am reminded that what you give is more than enough. So I'll give it right, it's good, right, it's good away. Give it right, it's good, right, it's good away. Keep it to myself, gotta share with someone else. Your kindness overwhelms my heart. Can't keep it to myself, gotta share with someone else. Your kindness overwhelms my heart. What you give to me is not for me to keep, it's for the world to see. Your love. Every day you're giving me your kindness. Every day you're giving me your love. Oh, with every single breath I am reminded that what you give is more than enough. So I'll give it right, it's good, right, it's good away. Give it right, it's good, right, it's good away. Give it right, it's good, right, it's good away. Give it right, it's good, right, it's good away.
Just like every color in the rainbow is unique and beautiful, every act of kindness adds its own magic to the world.
Today, let's take you on a colorful journey where each shade of the rainbow reflects one simple but powerful act of kindness.
Kindness has a ripple effect. One small act can travel far, touching hearts and changing lives.
Listening here, listening with love when someone sad, so caring here can make them glad. Sharing is caring, sharing with others big and small, make hearts happy one and all. Calm words and peace, kind words soothe like ocean breeze. They calm the storm and bring us peace. Care for nature, water a plant, let kindness grow. Care for the earth, let goodness show. Smile and cheer, a simple smile can light the day. It changes all the gloom away. Helping hands, lend our hands to lift someone high. The kindness grow when we all try. Love and compassion are that kind can heal all pain. A gentle hug is never in vain. The Lord God had sent me into this world to color this world with kindness. So go ahead and make this world a better place with your small gestures of kindness. just like boomerang.
We shall now conclude our assembly with the finale. You can count on me.
Boys, sit down.
I now call for Father James Tigray to address us.
Not let him speak.
Come this side. Teacher, get those boys this side. This, two boys. Angels, angels. This is white. Huh. Okay. Ready? Sit. Sit. Those are kneeling, kneel properly. Sit down. Ready?
A very good morning, my dear Father Principal, Father Salman Rabu, and teachers, Teacher Smita, my dear teachers, Montessori staff, my dear parents, and my dear lovely students, especially the Standard School B. Very good morning to you. Let's be kind enough and give them a thunderous clap for the 4th B. Come on. And to the parents who have prepared all these children, for the parents, come on. So you were kind enough to clap. Very good. It was a very mesmerizing assembly I witnessed today on kindness, especially when you have the LED screen behind. It adds more color and flair to the whole program. I'm sure all of you must have got some sort of lesson from this today's assembly. It's easy to be harsh. It's easy to be harsh, to shout at people, to yell at people, but it's very difficult to be kind. Because kindness pays. When you're kind to someone, then someone becomes kind to others. That's what we saw in the movie, small clipping. And at the end, the kindness comes back to you. So, just be kind in your words, gentle in your dealing, smile, laugh, don't shout, don't yell, don't abuse someone. And that's the lesson that I would give to you. Congratulations to the Standard 4th B for the wonderful assembly, and must take this assembly in heart. Just be kind, show kindness to someone. It could be anyone, it could be a stranger, it could be someone you know, it could be your own parents. I'm sure parents are very, very kind to you and to the school by making sure that they take their time out and prepare for the assembly and teachers. So let's take it to heart. Let's be kind today. And this whole week, that KIND will be my watchword. My watchword is be kind. Okay? God bless you. I wish you all the best to be kind, to be loving, to be caring, sharing, and the world will smile at you. You be kind, when you smile at one, the world smiles at you. Somebody will smile at you. Thank you very much. God bless you.